Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Academy. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. This works without traffic. Let Sora AI create unlimited unique video courses starting today, 100% newbie friendly. Create, host and sell unlimited video courses in any niche for yourself or clients. Let Sora AI create a video course for you in any niche: health, business, fitness, gaming, cooking, self-improvement, you name it. Just hit upload and let AI do the rest. Get paid $99 every time someone buys. Just tell the AI what you want and watch it create it in minutes. Included, Sora AI Pro license, normally $200/mo. Dozens of done-for-you niche templates built in. The ultimate ClickFunnels killer. Drag and drop site creator and editor with SSL encryption, user management, and payment processing. Create membership sites for yourself, or sell them to local businesses for massive profits right away. No coding, no development, no hosting required, 100% newbie friendly. Guaranteed traffic built in from the get-go. The AI works 24/7 to build you unique video courses in 250+ different niches and plugs them right into your membership platform. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Works without traffic. We send thousands of red-hot hungry visitors that can't wait to buy your training. Let our support team handle tickets, delivery, and processing. Sell anything with our built-in shops, user management, and payment gateways. All-in-one dashboard takes care of everything: hosting, site creation, shopping cart, payments, product delivery. Multiple traffic streams and hundreds of ready-to-sell products built in. No filming, no editing, no technical skills, just upload and cash in. Hit the upload button on Academy. We take care of everything from sending done-for-you hungry visitors, to payment processing, user management, and yes, even tech support. Get paid $99 every time someone buys. Just add your bank account details, no filming, no editing, no technical skills, just upload and cash in. You upsell customers to high-ticket services, coaching programs, SaaS software apps, or affiliate offers, all built in. As an expert marketer, I review hundreds of products every year. In all my experience online, I've never, and I mean never, seen a software quite as good and revolutionary as Academy. I've got clients making AI-made course sales and selling membership subscriptions left and right. Go get it for yourself. The price is incredible. Talk about a deal. If I came up with an idea like Academy, I'd charge people $297 per month for it. The price they have is an absolute steal. Just think about it: unlimited video courses created for you by AI, unlimited membership sites, and a store with built-in traffic. It's an all-in-one system like never before. I wish I had this when I first started 15 years ago. Creating a product used to take months, now it takes seconds. It's a huge revolution in our industry, and all for $16. I bought a copy for myself, and one for every business associate too. What if I told you that you could get paid $99 over and over again by selling your own video courses online without ever making the videos yourself? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Because Sora AI and Academy do all the heavy lifting for you. This Sora AI powered course business runs itself. For the first time ever, Sora AI, the revolutionary video generation technology that normally costs $200 per month, is now free inside Academy. That means you can start making $99 per sale on autopilot. And it's as easy as 1-2-3. Included, original AI-generated video courses, info products, high-ticket services, SaaS software apps or affiliate offers. And all for a one-time, low fee. That's right, pay once, use forever. The AI works 24/7 to build you unique video courses in 250+ different niches and plugs them right into your membership platform. Listen, we always tell people to build their own products and have their own courses set up and selling online. Heck, Bill Clinton, Gordon Ramsay, and Lewis Hamilton all have their own membership courses selling online despite being multi-millionaires. It all goes to show you just how much money there is to be made in membership sites. And at the end you'd still be paying hundreds of dollars a month to services like Kajabi, Shopify, Wix, CourseFunnels etc. while getting subpar results. But today, it's actually possible to get original, expert-level courses built for you 24/7 without having to pay for them, then auto-added onto your done-for-you membership site that's fully hosted by us. We even send you traffic. What's left for you to do? Just connect your payment account and watch it skyrocket with sales. A full-blown membership site with drag-and-drop design that's 100% newbie-friendly and comes with all the right marketing tools already built in. $200/mo. Sora AI that's sentient and able to output 100% original, unique video courses, info products, and even high-ticket coaching programs. Every tech setup required from payment processing, to user management, product delivery, emails, and even customer support. Right now, regular people, total beginners, are making easy money just by uploading AI-generated courses. Just upload, relax, and watch the payments roll in. Normally, Sora AI alone costs $200 per month. But today, you get lifetime access to Academy for a small, one-time payment. We even give you traffic, hosting, payment processing, product delivery, and we handle all of the customer support for any video course sales you make. Your only responsibility? Figure out how you'll spend all those $99 payments hitting your bank account. So go ahead and sign up for Academy today. We're only holding this open for the first 250 people only. All the content for your info products, courses, and trainings is created on demand, done for you and original by Sora AI. The membership site is hosted by us and comes pre-configured. Traffic is built in from the get-go. We take care of payment processing, shopping cart integration, order fulfillment, customer support, and even basic things like website design or dedicated cloud hosting. The best part? It's 100% newbie friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. Plus we're making it better every single day based on user suggestions. The bottom line is this. Academy saves you hundreds of dollars a year in fees while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 81-year-old retiree can master. Jason is an 81-year-old retiree who always wanted to create an online course. He had knowledge to share, but there was one big problem: he hated being on camera. The thought of scripting, filming, editing, and marketing overwhelmed him. He watched others make thousands selling courses, while he stayed stuck, unsure where to start. Then he discovered Academy, an AI-powered platform that creates, hosts, and sells video courses without any filming or tech skills required. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.